Today we have easy problem given integers array. We want to find first number that is bigger than prefix sum, prefix sum, uh, and not in the uh, array itself. The problem is small, 50 elements, maximum element is 50. That means uh, maximum prefix sum could be 50 squared or 2500. Solution is just brute force. You go, and by the way, the prefix should be continuously increasing like this. Go and check uh, that it is increasing. Compare values, and then compute the sum. And after that, you have to brute force check the range sum up to the maximum and find element not in array. And this would be solution. Now the interesting part is if you want to go to this solution, what properties can you have? First of all, if you go for speed, then this small range makes it uh, usable for bitmask. Just to check this is in n, you can check if the bit is set. So you have to use I64 or long value to put all these elements inside. That's one optimization. The second one is the property of this prefix sum. So as elements are going in increasing order, like 15, 16, 17, that means there is a property. The index is 0, 1, 2, and the property is that you don't have to check adjacent cells, you just check the current and I equal and 0 first element plus I. So let's do this. 17 equals 15 plus 2 equals ni equal n0 plus I. So this to avoid the index check. It allows you to shorten your code and basically keep less elements in the memory. Very nice. Another property of this problem is that the size 50 and maximum 50 tells you that every element that is bigger than 50 is not in the array because maximum is 50. So if your prefix sum reaches some big value like 70, you don't have to check it is in this array, just return it because maximum that is in array is 50. Okay, let's look at my code. By the way, first big mistake, this first submission was wrong answer because I assume that the sum is maximum 100, but this is obviously a mistake. 50 squared is 2000 plus 500. Now let's look at the shortest rust I reached. So I use this zip and and it's a basically this and 0 and 2 dots makes a sequence of increasing numbers, and I just checking that my elements are following this sequence, and take one following, and then do a sum, and then I make a range. This is infinite range, and I use find to check it's not an error. This is the shortest variant of find, and let's look at the kotlin one. This is different. Um, this also computes a range, but I make it obvious, 2500, and that I use take while, and I equals n0 plus I to check its continuous range, and use sum, and then I did this trick, I subtracted and set from this range. It's not optimal, it computes the big 2500 elements, but it's pretty neat. You can be short the same length of the code, but use find. Find is better, obviously. Okay, that's it for today.